up, guys? ND72. I just got my suspension for the SLK. Just came in. Box all banged up. Not bad. They're a very inexpensive set, so we'll see if you get what you pay for. Alright guys, my suspension kit for my 2001 SLK 320. It's a very cheap kit, just lowering. Just got off eBay. But let's look it up. I don't know much about this brand. Usually I buy a lot higher quality stuff from my other Mercedes if people don't really know. But this one was so cheap. It was pretty local. They shipped it to me really quick. I'll give all the information on the parts on the bottom, but for this build of being like $1,000 build to make this car, we're trying to see what you can do for that. Alright, keep going. Two. Three. Four. Alright, let's keep going. Bad so far. Adjustment tool. Alright, let's see what's in each box. Come with fully adjustable shock absorbers. JOM. Not bad looking so far. Alright, just for a spring. There's the actual spring. This looks to be all the bushings, everything you need for each one. Bad so far. Those were the rear. This is the front now. That's the huge difference from the front and rear right there. If anyone really has an SLK, you know it's not an actual straight coilover design, but they do, the front and rear are different. These are the main difference in the kit. It's the adjusters. At least that I saw so far. And mountain spots. That's the front, that's the rear. You can just see the huge difference in how much adjustment you'll have in between. How much more you can drop the front. That's going to be really cool. Now some people know the issue of why I need to lower the car is to get it in the garage. It's about 1 inch too tall to fit underneath my CLK. So these were necessary for what I need to do with it. Alright. Here's kind of how they came in the box. This one I already opened and unpackaged. Everything pretty much straightforward. Even says on the side, front, right there, for F, and then rear, right there. Not bad so far. This is how they actually come packaged, all wrapped up. It's not the best bubble wrap packaging, stuff like that. They are, I wouldn't say damaged. There are some scratches and stuff on them, but that's legitimately what you get when you pay for stuff. Guys, thanks for watching. I gotta go head to bed now. Tomorrow I should be installing the springs. Right now I'm just gonna be hanging out with some puppies, and God bless.